43, yeah. I'm going to be eating some food. We've got enough things, random things, but still it's good, yeah. Good. See the bits, see
We are back! No filters on our faces, no filters on our faces.
This episode is... We don't give a... So, as you can see, we're eating their food here.
What was this?
Wait.
You just got... Everything's just messed up. I can't reach, look, you put all the sauces in front of the food.
Yeah, but they don't have to see it, do they? So, today, I've got to try and eat with chopsticks. You know I'm Jamaican, yeah? Black English Jamaican. We can't use chopsticks for... Oh, look, I can do it. Look, miss.
Yeah, but you'd use one of these, you don't want one of the easiest
Look,
things.
look though. Why is it easy? So if I use it on rice...
Yeah.
Oh, so you think you can do it with rice?
Yeah.
Alright, well show me then.
The rice is all the way over yonder, I might show you. I'm gonna eat some corn quick closed. Mmm!
Oh,
I know we spoke about it before, yeah? But I want to speak about it. I was
What was
thinking
it?
about it when I was in the shower.
Okay, that's why I love our show speech because we just talk random. Watch me do this now, Misha. Wait, let me do this first. Look, look. I did it.
Is that nice?
Misha,
Yeah.
try it. So, I've been cooking up bare food today.
Pardon?
What Misha's been doing. Cheers. What are you saying anyway? But now it's running up. Go on. Say something.
And what snails?
It's not snails.
What
It is broccoli. Not broccoli. Brussels sprout in bacon. Wrapped into... It's nice, mate. Alright.
Good.
Come on, go on, innit?
Salty then.
That's because the bacon, not the... And I just came up with that today, folks. Go on, Miss, tell them what you drinking.
Same. Right. So, yeah, it's on worse.
Oh my god, just Oreo.
Pear.
Hair? That was one on my plate. Let me just remove that.
Right. I mean, right, body hair.
Ah.
Back
Yeah?
hair.
What about him?
I'll show you my picture. And
I look scared there now. Look at my fucking hair.
stop swearing.
Come on, body hair, yeah?
Yeah, like, and why?
Why what?
Why we have to get rid of it?
You don't have to get rid of it, it's a woman's choice.
Yeah, I mean, like, there's so much what's it around it.
Yeah? Yeah, but men do that as well, don't they?
Right, yeah.
I mean, like, listen. I mean, with hair, I mean, that's your choice. I mean, like, you will shave down the bare minimum, don't you?
Yeah, but
Yeah, but like, do you always? Yeah, but I mean, you don't. Look, Misha. Look, I can't. Look.
yeah, but the rice.
Yeah, our rice is not meant for chopsticks. That's ridiculous. So I'm gonna give them up as a bad joke, right? So
Yeah, but obviously there's a lot of women out there now that are promoting body positivity. I'm not shaving.
yeah, and that's how it should be, because who the hell is born? Okay, you are born bald. Yeah, but your hair's there, especially in private areas, to protect your.
No, but it's natural though. Even
Yeah,
still,
but it's
like,
to protect your natural region.
yeah, but it grows anyway, yeah.
Mhm.
So
Yeah, it's protect your natural.
yeah, but it grows for a reason.
You
doesn't
get
it?
what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Right, so it protects you from germs and stuff like that. That's what the hair's there for.
Is it really?
Why do you think I collect it?
Oh,
Do you? Yeah, but not to shower every day.
yeah.
So why do you keep the hair on your head?
Must be different.
Why do you? That's a question
I
why.
don't know, actually.
So I got you there, didn't I? Eh?
See, that's how you pick up an egg, like with chopsticks.
You sure? Like, first of all, like, with my legs, I've never had to shave my legs ever. Yeah. And downstairs, keep it clean and tidy.
Yeah, my neighbours do.
Is that Dad?
No, it's a cat.
Oh.
Oh, it's the one that you didn't let in.
What's he see?
Yep. So, but you're lying. So, would you like just leave the hairs under your armpits?
Probably not. That's a bit ugly.
Why?
I told you it's ugly.
Yeah, but is it though? It's natural.
Yeah, it is natural, you're right. But to me, okay, for my preference, no.
Yeah.
You know, because, you know when you wear a little top, you watch your set, see all that's bright. Yeah?
For you, you mean?
For me, yeah.
You don't know.
Would you?
I don't know.
Yeah, but on men it looks really nice, Misha. I'm not gonna lie.
See, I've tried to see how long I can go.
Have you? I don't really shave my armpits, so you know, Mish.
Yeah, but you don't need to.
Why? Because you say my armpits are old. Is that what you're saying? That's what you all say.
Did the words your armpits are old come out my mouth?
So do you think, because I'm older, mine are more sparse?
Probably. And they start to fall out, innit?
Yeah.
Is that the reason? That is actually the reason.
I suppose everything.
You got old ass armpits.
Fuck.
Your armpits are thinning. I think that's a great.
They do.
That is great.
My husband's just come in. He's waving to me, so that's why I wave. I just said my husband's just come in. Say yo, John.
Yo.
So, Misha, what do you mean thinning? It's like your hair on your head though, isn't it, I suppose?
Oh no, because your hair on your head. Yeah, but okay, put it this way, yeah. So why do you don't shave your armpits, yeah? But you want
No, not as often as I used to when I was younger.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Why? Because you're
Oh,
old.
no.
You regrowth the slime.
Yeah.
I mean, you have got hair, you got bald patches because it's thinning, because you're old.
What, you don't think you're going to get old? Oh, you're hoping to get old?
Oh, I want to get old. Well, I don't. I want to get old and I want to live forever, but still.
Who wants to live forever? I don't want to live forever. No, I suppose your armpits is like, you know, like hair receding, innit? Huh?
Yeah.
Same thing, innit?
I suppose.
You know what I mean? But, so while you're young, I mean, Misha, you can go weeks without shaving your legs.
Now, choose to.
Yeah, pardon? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You choose to go weeks without...
Yeah, but in cold months, it's not the way.
Yeah, is that because you're wearing trousers though?
Oh yeah. And because I'm in a relationship, I don't need to do that shit.
Yeah, so she don't mind.
What?
But you don't shave your legs.
I don't believe so.
Does she not shave her legs either?
Yeah.
So why are you not making the effort for her?
When it's cold, yeah. I'm not on it as much as I normally am. When it's cold, only when it's hot, I don't even know what I'm saying. When it's cold, I'm not on it as much as I normally am. But when it's hot, probably like once a week, once every 2 weeks.
Yeah, so, for me...
Or on the day I decide to wear shorts.
Yeah, but then you leave bare hair in the bath.
Wow! No, I do not.
Oh, you shower me, yeah, you do, you block it all. That's called a drainage out a couple of times.
She's lying. Straight lying.
So,
Swear on my life.
that's why you lie. I keep saying it's
Because you move your chopsticks, you just make a brown nose in the plate.
They just say they make it when the people come to unblock it, they say it's wet wax, but it's not. It's just for leg. Just one of them as well. But anyway,
Wow.
so I, as a kid at school, all the girls were shaving their legs. I never did it, and that's why I never grew hairs because I didn't follow that fashion.
Yeah, but I can't imagine Nana would let you shave your legs anyway.
Listen, no. You've been a girl, so you're going to do that. But
Yeah,
I
but
never did that.
I can imagine
I don't think my sister did that either, to be honest.
Yeah, but I can't imagine Nana letting you do that young. Or like 14.
So going back to that,
When you were still playing with soap and stuff in the
Yeah.
bathroom, mushing it all up together and talcum powder on like this, mushing it all.
That's why I don't tell her anything, you know, because she'll repeat everything with blood clots. So. But anyway, right, so when I was a kid also, then because like, I don't know about you,
Also,
Misha, no, I've got to bring this up as well. So when I was a kid, you know, when I started my period, I was so scared to tell my mum that I started my period.
Was you?
Yeah. Even though it was a natural thing, and mum would have just got me pads. So for the first probably year that I was on a period, it was toilet paper.
Did I not think that your jars were bitty?
No. No. Misha, don't say stupid.
You must have done.
Yeah, but I did, and sometimes, you know, when I had a heavy flow, I used to roll the paper like.
None of that time, and I was like, "Lord God, how many times I rolled that?"
Yeah, mum did do that, but that's what I used to do because I don't know why I was scared to tell mum. Growing up, we were so innocent as kids, you know, because we never thought about anything about sex or anything like that. Because when we were growing up, it wasn't like that. Like how you are today, Misha. How you were when you were growing up. Because me and you talked about everything, didn't we? And I made that consecutive choice to make sure I talked to you about everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, although me and my mum were closer than close can be, at that age I just didn't tell mum.
Things like that just weren't spoken about, though, were they?
Even though it's a natural thing in life, isn't it?
Question.
Yeah.
Did you have pads when you was a kid?
After I told mum, yeah. But I hate pads.
Yeah, but I mean,
like, the thing is, they always say always, you know, with always and all that. It's what is that? You cannot see it all like that. The fucking life, fam. You can see pads in that big bulk under your bloody in your middle, right? You can see that if you wear trousers and stuff, can't you?
it's at the back mainly.
Yeah.
To be fair, actually, I feel like you're nappy on. No, I wasn't asking you there, guys.
Pardon? Got here because you're eating corn dog.
Of course, would you know?
Mm.
Truffle mayo on my lap.
Yeah, go on. What's that? It's horrible, Misha. Wearing pads, it's horrible.
No.
It makes you dry. Like, okay, so right, we opened on. When did we open this? Look, when we opened to go back to work.
I'm good.
Right. So when we opened to go to club, yeah. I have a period for a year.
Remember
As soon
when
as
Mum
we
told you about
open
hot
it up-
sweats and stuff?
Yeah. So, you know, because obviously I'm going through the menopause. I'm 54 years old, guys. 54. And, so, you know, I'll go through the menopause, so I didn't have a period for a year. Soon as I knew that I was going back to work, my periods came. I was like, oh,
on
you
time
did.
as well.
Yeah, and I was on for, how many weeks? 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks, wasn't I? And hopefully that's the last one. But, you know, here's me going to work, you know what I mean? I don't know whether it was the stress or the anxiety and everything like that. Come on, I don't know what it was, Misha.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
that's
yeah.
an natural thing.
Or just coincidence.
Coincidence,
But what I was
yeah.
going to ask you, guys, when you was younger, you say, so you did have pads, yeah? Do you have like disposable pads or the ones that you took up onto a belt?
How old do you think I am? What do you mean a belt? What's a belt? What, they go around your waist?
Yeah, so back in the day, apparently, girls used to have a belt, wear around your waist,
Yeah.
and then the clips either side, string stuff, yeah? So you had like 4 there, look.
Yeah, but, okay.
See that? Excuse
Hey,
me.
why,
so
you looking
like-
at all?
No. That's what one of my old teachers told me that.
Yeah.
Anyway, and then it was a cloth. Yeah, so you know like nappies used to be cloth? It was like that. You used to have to take it off and wash it out.
Yeah, that was way back before I started my menstrual period, Misha.
Your menstrual period. What other periods like?
My menstrual cycle, sorry. But what I'm trying to say is, but saying that, when we were coming up, when I did eventually use the pad, they were really much thicker than what they are now.
Oh, I can imagine.
But,
Because some of them are thick
yeah, but they
now.
protected you.
Yeah, but when I...
No, which you never leaked out. Now the periods now, when they're a period now.
Yeah, but it depends on your flow.
Yeah, I know, but like, why? Do you think they're okay? Do you think they work for you?
But, yeah, but
Because-
I swear at one point it was in like you had one size
Yeah.
for everything. And it was fit like a dick. Just that.
Like my dick.
You know what I mean though? That's why it's just like one size fits all kind of thing.
No, it doesn't.
Was it not? No, so you got different size pads and stuff.
I don't know, Misha. I can't even remember, to be honest. But like, the thing is, like I say, with the ones that you're wearing now, they don't stop leakage, that's all right. Because when you get up out of chair, so that when you go out, Misha, have a leak. Do you not always check my chair?
Yeah, I think that's a natural thing though, anyway, isn't it?
Yeah.
On the other side though, can you pick up an egg?
Pass over then. Pass over. What, with chopsticks?
Yeah.
Want to try? Is it?
Anyone can comment, yeah, and tell us the best way to hold it. I took one way to hold it, so yeah.
Is it, Misha?
No,
Mm-hmm.
it's like a ball bag. What? You put your whole egg in? One sister.
Mm-mm.
Was that not the way, Mum? Hey, if I put 2 croquettes on these, yeah? What do you call them? We call them croquettes.
I call
No.
it okay.
Oh, it's like, look, I'm playing football with my head.
Misha, I eat egg like that for nothing, bro.
It's not nasty. Don't come for eggs like that, you know. But yeah, as you can see, again, our conversations to go west, you know what I mean? Is what it is.
Because as I said, we were going to be very
Is what it is. Oh.
unapologetic about everything today. Misha, the egg stuck in my throat.
I looked to know
Right.
who from our lives, yeah, watches our videos. Like, people who, like, friends, enemies, not enemies for so to speak, people who don't really like us, or people who don't like me, people who don't like mum, whatever. I'd love to know if, like, like, them groups of people watch our stuff. Like, you know, the haters. Like, I'd love to know that.
Yeah, but why are people hating us, Misha?
Yeah, but I'm not worried if you hate. Yeah, but
Yeah, I know, but I'm asking the question, why would people hate us anyway?
we don't know what if we've hurt them in the past or whatever, or who we are. Like, to
Or
that
is it because they
person.
don't want to make us to make it who we are? Is that what it is? You
No,
know?
but I'm saying, like, you don't know, do you?
Why do you always do that? Put your female up and you're not saying nothing. Question.
Why not lipstick up underneath your nose? What lipstick peel? That's nah. That's when you should open your mouth wide for a lip peeled back. That's what that one's got. A lip like this.
I've got big lips, Misha, so what? Listen, right, Misha, like I say, me the business all love me, I bloody hate me, me the business.
I'm not
That's
saying
what
for that
doing.
reason, I'm just
Yeah, but I don't
saying.
care. Misha, I don't care. Like, if you think, like now, yeah, for friends and stuff like that to support what we're doing, I don't care no more. Because we know that they don't. Excuse me,
sure.
Misha, I'm leaning over you. Like I said to you, I am very unapologetic, yeah? So, look. Right, so this is Jessica, what's her second name?
It's not Jessica Norton, it's Sarah Jessica.
Yeah, Sarah
Parker.
Jessica. Sarah Jessica Parker. Look, I've only got half a bottle left.
Look at her.
Send me one if you want, babe. You know what I mean? Because, you know, like you're going to pick a girl, or yeah, feel me. And Mr. Estee Lauder.
Mr. Is it Mrs.?
Oh, Mrs. Estee Lauder.
Yeah, it's Mrs.
Look, this is my favourite sensuous. Send Patricia Caress a bottle. Thank you. All three. A very, you know what I mean? Because, like, look.
Oh, Mr. Frank.
Oh, don't send any more of that.
Send me some words.
The Tory don't like it.
I love it. Anyway, side point.
Yeah?
I like my side points, don't I?
We should. look at our nails right there, show you. Show them yours, Misha.
Got food in
This
it.
is from Victoria.
Wait, hold on.
Vicky
Wait.
Nails.
Wait, let's go in slow.
Let's go in slow.
I've got a bit of egg under that one.
Oh, just can you do all your Misha?
Go in slow.
Slow.
So mine, rainbow baby. You know,
Victoria, thank you, baby. You're the
Shout
best.
out to Victoria.
You are the best nail artist in where we live, Burton-on-Trent.
You're right. No, on a level. No, she's sick.
She's the best musician.
What we're going to be doing, over the week, this video's, well, to be fair, the videos are up anyway.
Yeah, this will be up tomorrow.
But over a week period from when the video goes up, which is tomorrow.
Yeah.
Wow!
Yeah.
We're going to be giving away some Daisy, wait, what? Daisy merch.
Daisy 512.
And then, here's my
Yeah, carry on, Mitch. What we're giving away though? So we're going to give a hat.
Wait. So we're going to give away a bucket hat with the Daisy logo on it. That'd be a logo everywhere we'll choose it.
Yeah.
And we're going to be giving away
A t-shirt.
a t-shirt. We'll give away a black t-shirt and a white t-shirt. And we'll give away one of our canvas bags. So, all you've got to do to be in with a chance to win is like, follow, and share our videos.
And you got to
then
share.
comment underneath.
Yeah, but they've got to share so to Mark, Misha.
Yeah, but what we got to do is, no, but I'm not going to necessarily know that.
Yeah.
And comment underneath to say that you've done it.
Mm-hmm.
Then what we'll do, we'll head over to your profile to make sure you have shared it.
Mm.
And yeah, so like, follow, and share, and comment on the video.
Mm-hmm. We'll announce it on the next show, won't we?
Yeah, and obviously we're looking out for winners on our, because we'll do a short clip of this for Instagram. In fact, I might put the whole thing on.
Yeah.
On our Instagram, on our Facebook, and on our YouTube channel. So you don't know, get to know. But yeah, so you know what to do to win a chance to win.
Which is?
Like, follow, and share.
Click that button, mate.
Yeah. I'll be on YouTube though, subscribe, yeah?
Yeah.
And make sure you click the little bell thing.
Yeah. So we're going to say, yeah?
Say ya. We're gonna say ya. Say ya.
We're going to
Say ya.
say, ayo.
You don't know what to do with that.
Pardon?
Say ya. Bye. No, so no, the other one was, but one I mentioned. I don't think